Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn about subtraction of rational numbers.
Subtraction of rational numbers. While subtracting two rational numbers, you will come across two cases. First case, when denominators are equal, and the second case, when denominators are unequal. Let's look at the first case. When denominators are equal, keeping the denominators same, simplify the numerators. If required, express the rational number obtained in its lowest terms. Case 2. When the denominators are unequal. Make the denominators of all the given rational numbers the same and then proceed as case 1. Let us now look at few questions. First question. Subtract 2 by 9 from 5 by 9. You can see that in this question the denominators are same. Always remember that after from whatever expression is given should be written first. 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. In this, since the denominators are same, we will take the denominator 9 as the common denominator and we will simplify the numerators. 5 minus 2. This expression is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3 by denominator is 9. Since 3 and 9 have 3 as common factor, so let's cancel the common factors. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is equal to 1 by 3. Now let's look at the second question. Subtract minus 6 by 11 from minus 3 by minus 11. Remember that we will write minus 3 by minus 11 first. So, minus 3 by minus 11 minus 6 by 11. This expression is equal to, since in this rational number the numerator and denominator is having same sign, so this rational number is a positive rational number. We can write this as 3 by 11. Now we have minus sign here and inside the bracket we have minus sign. So minus into minus is plus. 6 by 11. Now you can see that here we have the same denominators. So we will take 11 as the common denominator and we will simplify the numerators. This expression is equal to 3 plus 6 is 9 by 11 in the denominator. Since we don't have any common factors to cancel and it is in proper form, so we stop here. 9 by 11 is the answer. Let's now look at the third question. Subtract minus 2 by 15 from minus 8 by 15. So let's write the answer. Minus 8 by 15 minus of minus 2 by 15. This expression is equal to minus 8 by 15. Now we have minus sign outside the bracket. Inside the bracket we have minus sign. Minus into minus is plus. 2 by 15. Since we have the same denominators, we will take 15 as the common denominator and we will simplify the numerators. Minus 8 plus 2. This expression is equal to minus 8 plus 2 is equal to minus 6 by 15. Since 6 and 15 have 3 as common factor, so let's cancel it. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. So this expression is equal to minus 2 by 5. This is the answer. Let us now look at the second question. Subtract minus 3 by 10 from 1 by 5. 1 by 5 minus of minus 3 by 10. This expression is equal to 1 by 5 minus of minus is plus 3 by 10. Since the denominators are different, we will find the LCM to make the denominators same. So let's find the LCM of 5 and 10. Since 10 is divisible by 2, let's divide it by 2. 5 we will write as it is since 5 is not divisible by 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Let's now divide by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Therefore, LCM of 5 and 10 is equal to multiplying these factors. 2 times 5, which is equal to 10. Now, we will multiply the denominators with a suitable number to make it equal to 10. 5 we will multiply with 2 to get 10. The same 2 we will multiply even with the numerator. In the second rational number we already have 10. So we are going to multiply it with 1, even the numerator with 1. Now this expression is equal to 1 times 2 is 2 by 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 times 1 is 3 by 10 times 1 is 10. Now you can see that the denominators are same. So this expression is equal to, we will take 10 as the common denominator and we will simplify the numerators. 2 plus 3, which is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5 by 10. Since 5 and 10 have 5 as common factor, so let's cancel it. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. This expression is equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer. Second question. Subtract 5 by 8 from minus 5 by 16. So we can write the expression as minus 5 by 16 minus 5 by 8. Now you can see in this expression the denominators are not the same. So we will find the LCM of the denominators. Let's find the LCM of 16 and 8. Since 16 and 8 both are even numbers, so we are going to divide it by 2. 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 4 is 8. Again we'll divide it by 2. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4. Again we'll divide it by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2. Again we will divide it by 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 we'll write as it is. Therefore, LCM of 16 and 8 is equal to multiplying these factors. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. Therefore, LCM is equal to 16. Now, we are going to make the denominator of each rational number equal to LCM, that is 16. So, this expression is equal to minus 5 by 16 minus 5 by 8. Since this rational number is already having 16 in the denominator, so we are going to multiply it by 1 and the numerator also by 1, and this rational number is having 8 in the denominator, so we will multiply it by 2 to get 16. The same 2 we will multiply even with the numerator. Now this expression is equal to minus 5 times 1 is minus 5 by 16 times 1 is 16 minus 5 times 2 is 10 by 8 times 2 is 16. Now you can see that we have got the same denominators. Let's simplify the numerators. So this expression is equal to, we will take 16 as the common denominator and we will simplify the numerators. Minus 5 minus 10 is equal to minus 15. Therefore, minus 15 by 16 is the answer. Next question, subtract 4 from minus 3 by 13. We can write this expression as minus 3 by 13 minus 4. Now, we can take the denominator of 4 as 1. Now you can see that the denominators are not the same. So, we will find the LCM of 13 and 1. LCM of 13 and 1 is equal to 13. Now this expression is equal to minus 3 by 13 minus 4 by 1. Since we have 13 in the denominator, so we will multiply it by 1 and the same 1 we will multiply even with the numerator, and here we have 1 in the denominator. To make it 13, we will multiply with 13. So 1 into 13 and the same 13 will multiply even with the numerator. Now this expression is equal to minus 3 times 1 is minus 3 by 13 times 1 is 13 minus 4 times 13 is 52 by 1 times 13 is 13. Now you can see that we have got the same denominators. So this expression is equal to, we will take 13 as the common denominator and we will simplify the numerators. So this expression is equal to minus 3 minus 52 is equal to minus 55 by 13 in the denominator. Therefore, minus 55 by 13 is the answer. Next question. Subtract minus 6 by 25 from minus 8 by 5. So we can write this expression as minus 8 by 5 minus of minus 6 by 25. This expression is equal to minus 8 by 5 minus into minus is plus 6 by 25. Now you can see that the denominators are not the same. So we will find the LCM of 5 and 25. Let's find the LCM of 5 and 25. We will divide by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. We will divide by 5. 1 we will write as it is. 5 times 1 is 5. Therefore, LCM of 5 and 25 is equal to multiplying these factors. 5 times 5, which is equal to 25. Now we will make the denominators equal to the LCM, that is 25. In this rational number, we have 5 in the denominator. So we will multiply this by 5 to get 25. The same 5 we will multiply even with the numerator. In the second rational number, we have 25. So we will multiply this with 1 to get 25. The same 1 we will multiply even with the numerator. Now this expression is equal to minus 8 times 5 is minus 40 by 5 times 5 is 25 plus 6 times 1 is 6 by 25 times 1 is 25. Now you can see that we have got the same denominators. So we will simplify the numerators together. So this expression is equal to, we will take 25 as the common denominator. So let's simplify the numerators. So this expression is equal to minus 40 plus 6 is equal to minus 34 by 25 in the denominator. Therefore, minus 34 by 25 is the answer.
Thank you for watching. Practice the sums given in the worksheet. Happy learning.